Good morning, student. Today start chapter number 2. Today start chapter number 2. More on tux paint. More on tux paint. Chapter number 2. More on tux paint. What is tux paint? Tux paint is an easy to use program which is used to create beautiful drawing. Means we are paint tool. Okay. Then what is it? Tux paint. Tux paint is an easy to use program which is used to create beautiful drawing. Okay. Next, more on tux paint. Components of main screen. Components of main screen. So watch the video tux paint components of main screen related. Okay.
To start Tux Paint, first of all, we have to click on Start button and then All Program, and then here you will search Tux Paint. You see Tux Paint, you'll click here and then Tux Paint full screen. After starting Tux Paint program, you will get this window. In the left side, this area is called toolbar, and in the right side, this are called selector, and in the bottom side this is called color box, and this top side you can see here, this is called up arrow, and here bottom side this is called down arrow, and at the bottom extreme bottom side this blank area is called help area, and this in the middle big blank area white background is called your drawing area. Whatever drawing you will make here, it will be drawn in this area. So now we will start a new drawing. So to start a new drawing, from toolbar we will click on new button here. So after clicking, you will get this screen. Here are ready-made pictures and backgrounds. So these are colorful backgrounds. If you click here in the down arrow button, you will get more ready-made pictures. You see, I'm clicking here. See ready-made pictures, frame, drawing. So many pictures you will get here. So you can choose any background or ready-made pictures from here. This up arrow and this down arrow, you will choose to select different pictures, ready-made pictures in this TuxPaint program. So I'll choose this aeroplane. So to choose any ready-made background or any picture, you just need to click on that. I have clicked here, and then after clicking, you will click on open button. You see here open button is there. You will click here open button. So that picture, it will come in your screen. So this is about starting a new drawing. Next is your coloring the drawing. How you will color your drawing. So to color drawing, you have to click on right side. You see magic tool. This is magic tool. You will click here, and from the right side selector, you will choose this fill color. After clicking, from the color box, you will select any color of your choice. So I am choosing here red, and you see to paint, you just need to click the area you want to paint. You see, this is color came. Suppose you want to change any color, then you will select different color from the color box and you will paint. Suppose in the cloud, blue. You see, my drawing is ready. So this is about coloring the drawing. Next is your paint tool. Paint tool. It is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It is similar to a brush tool in MS Paint. When we click on paint tool, many brushes will appear in the selector. You see in the right side, so many brushes appears. If you select any brush here and then you will click here, you see your drawing will be in that shape. Suppose I change, you see, these are all ready-made brushes. You see, heart shape, triangle, other color. In any different color which you want, you will just select color from the color box and you will apply. Just click over there, this ready-made pictures cam. Any other design, click on down arrow. Suppose this, you see, this drawing. Any other thing, you see, so the star, you see, star. Suppose different color star, you see. You'll select color from the color box and you'll just click over there. It will come in that color. So this is about using paint tool. Next is your erasing the drawing. How you will erase your drawing. So to erase your drawing, you have to click on eraser tool. So I have clicked here and you see, if I'll rub here, all my drawing, whatever I have painted here, it will be erased. You see, everything is erased. So this is about erasing your drawing. Next is saving the drawing. See, my drawing is ready. So now I'll save the drawing. So to save a drawing, you have to click on save button. You see here, left side toolbar, save is written here. So you will click here, save, and your drawing will be saved. You can check the status from the bottom side help area. Here it is written, your image has been saved. So this is about saving a drawing. Next is your closing the tux paint. How you will close the tux paint. So to close tux paint, from toolbar you will click on quit button. You see, I have clicked here. After that there will be a message, do you really want to quit? Suppose you want to quit, then you will click yes, I am done. And if you don't want to click on no, take me back. So I'll click here, yes, I am done. You see, this tux paint program is closed. Now opening the drawing. Suppose the drawing which you have saved, that you want to open again. So how you'll open? So for that you have to open TuxPaint again. Now TuxPaint is opened. So how you'll open your saved drawing? So to open your saved drawing, you will click on open button from toolbar. Open button, then see here drawings which we have made here, it is here. So the drawing which you want to open, you will click on that and then click on open button. You see here this open button. So I've clicked here. You see your drawing is on screen.